What's up, Savvy Traders team, and what is up, YouTube? I'm going to run through the two trades that I took yesterday, securing me over $2,400 profit. They're simple level trades, nothing fancy, but you know the simple stuff works in today's market. Now, booking that money yesterday put me up over 8K on the week, so solid end of the week for sure. And it's definitely a lot more money than I would have made as an electrician, right? So let's get into it. First off, key levels, right? We got 24,875, 24,787. Those were the key levels that I was interested in trading. So when I seen price do this overnight, we took this Asia high, we came down, we broke below this level right here and continued to the downside, and then broke and retest this level too, right? Now this line here is previous day low. Let me just scroll the chart over a little bit. Right here. So this is previous day low. So when I see that all that liquidity is taken, what I'm looking for is for us to get back above a key level. So this is on the 2-minute time frame, and I always frame these on the 2-minute or 5-minute time frame, but I traded these on the 2-minute yesterday. And you can see here, we kind of bounce off this level, pretty close. I consider that a bounce. And then we break and retest it right here. Okay, so now that I see that we're below this level and we've taken liquidity, I'm not really looking for shorts. I want to wait for the market to come back up, break above a key level, and take a continuation buy. And a continuation buy setup is basically this. I want to see displacement through a key level, either a retest or my M2 buy setup, and then continuation higher to the next level or to this point of liquidity. Those equal highs. So the M2 buy setup right here, we get this displacement candle right here. That's a nice displacement candle. Boom. Now I was a little patient. I waited to see if we retested the level. We didn't quite retest the level, but on ES we had a level too. Let's just jump onto the ES chart, and I can show you exactly the level on ES that I was looking at too. Right here. So notice at the same time, let's just get rid of this discount range here. Notice at the same time on NQ, we broke above this level here, retested it. We break above this level here. So there's two key levels on the NASDAQ and ES, getting displacement candles to them to the upside. So I'm going to trade that. I'm going to trade that all day long. And we've also taken this little internal sweep here, plus an internal sweep here. Just little things I look for, right? So jump back onto the NASDAQ. Now what I was looking for was just a scalp to the upside. Ideally, my target was right here. Boom. Now, I didn't quite get my target, but that was like a 45-point trade. And on a Friday, if I can book 45 points in 2 minutes, I'm taking it. So as soon as I was up over 35 points, I started trailing, and I got out right at the top here. Again, this is just my M2 buy setup. We break the level, retest it right here. So then, after this liquidity is taken, I want to see displacement back above the level. Now, how I enter is when that displacement candle body closes right here, and the next candle travels through that body close, that triggers my entry. So this is a signal bar, this is an entry bar. And that's it. It's really not that complicated. So let's jump on to the next trade here. And this one was it was some tough drawdown. So what I was looking for is a break and retest. And if we zoom out here, you can see the signature and price that I want to see. Look at it. We hold this level, we then displace above the level. So I want to see price come back down, tap that level, and continue to take this London high right there. There's my target. Clean target, right? Now, I got in early. I didn't wait for the actual M2 buy setup to form. And if you really think about this, this is just basically my ICT level model also. So you take this swing low, swing high. We're in discount. Now, as soon as we came down and entered in this gap, I thought about entering, but I waited till we hit this level. So I entered right here when we tapped the level, but we just ran through it, right? We just ran through it. So I had some drawdown. I had all this drawdown. Now, when this candle pushed up, I started to trail and got out of the trade, which I got FOMO for, but 10 o'clock, I don't like to hold through 10 o'clock a lot of the time. And this is our 10 o'clock candle. But look at the money I left on the table there. But either way, just going over the trade, it was just a break and retest in a discount range. That's all it is. So what I should have done is waited for a candle to close back above the level. So if I would have waited for this candle right there, that's my signal bar, body close, this is my entry bar. There's my entry. I could have caught this whole move to the upside. Now, it happened fast, but, that's the way the market is sometimes. So, ultimately, nothing fancy today. Just a couple level trades, or yesterday, just a couple level trades. Same thing we do every single day, and the same thing that brought me 8K this week. So listen, you guys, if there is any questions, reach out in the community, but definitely study the charts today, because I know most people made money, and if you didn't, I think maybe you over traded or you just missed these setups, and these are the simple, repeatable setups that we got to trade every day.